Unite beyond boundaries. Innovate together. Joe's PANKRATION 2024. No border.
Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Akinori Nakajima, CEO of Voice Ping. For a quick introduction, I am very good at web and AI development due to the recent advancements in AI technology. I have been spending most of my time on AI research, whereas I was addicted to using web artist technologies for live streaming systems in the past. Let me present as sponsor to introduce our product, Voice Ping. Imagine expanding your business globally without language barriers. What if you could sound like a native speaker of any languages? Voice Ping has developed an AI-powered voice translation system that enables seamless communication for global teams, helping you win customers and conduct international business meetings with unprecedented efficiency. Here's the issue. When you are doing business internationally, you need interpreter to make a good deal. When having two spoken languages in the meeting, consecutive translation is applied. This makes meetings take twice as long and can be very expensive, especially for high-level meetings. Plus, interpreters might not know your industry's specific terms. You have to train them beforehand. Sometimes the interpreter will leave your team. You have to find another person. At international conferences, it gets even more complicated. We have to cover all the languages that visitor might want to use. To set up it, you are paying about $500 a day per language for interpreters. Arranging many interpreters is cumbersome, plus $2,000 for each translation device. Someone on your team must maintain the batteries and clean them every day. It's costly and can make it hard for people to fully participate. Voice Ping solves these problems. We offer real-time translation and subtitles that work anywhere. There is no delay, and we handle technical terms well by leveraging the latest large language models. Our system works with Zoom and Google Meet, and we even include tools for remote teams, such as productivity management feature or virtual office collaboration feature. Let me show how it works at the conference. Visitors use their iPhone and Android phone, choose their language, and they immediately get subtitle and the translation. They don't have to install the native mobile application. It's a very light mobile web platform that works. It's a Here is a comparison to demonstrate how fast our speech recognition system is. The left side is a Microsoft
at least from the outside, seemingly putting it behind him after a lot of people were saying that it wasn't an unacceptable move, as you heard Travis Kelce say there that it was. Today, though, I'm sure everything is under the bridge. Everybody wants to party. What better day than Valentine's Day to show Chiefs Kingdom some love? You've got hundreds of thousands of people lining the streets since very early this morning. They are just the second team in nearly 2 decades to win back-to-back Super Bowls. John Furman might know the other one, the parade. His players.
We also let you customize translations. This helps protect your brand-specific languages and terms. We can map any terminologies to any translated words, allowing customers to train our speech recognition and translation model. It's important for adapting it to the specific real business use cases. Technically speaking, our system is more accurate than other commercial options and even advanced open source models. What error rate WER, a common metrics used to measure the accuracy of the speech recognition system. Our model outperformed commercial APIs like Google Speech-to-Text, Azure Speech-to-Text, and OpenAI Large V2, V3. Speech recognition accuracy is an essential part of translating a sentence correctly. Now, let me give you a quick overview of our technology infrastructure. We use React.js and Flutter for our PC and mobile application. We've built a robust system leveraging the best of AWS services. Our applications are hosted on CloudFront for lightning-fast global access, and we use S3 buckets to store all assets securely. On the backend, we are running EC2 instances with elastic load balancing to handle our business logic. We've optimized this with multi-core Node.js processes and Elastic Cache for speedy data processing. For real-time features like our whiteboard, we are using DynamoDB to ensure instant responsiveness. For real-time audio and video streaming, LabKit WebRTC middleware paved that way. As for AI capability, we are using state-of-the-art models like Whisper AI and Llama 3. These run on our high-powered servers equipped with the NVIDIA GPU 800 L40S for fast and low-cost inference from the trained model. We have built the web crawler and the tokenizer from scratch to enhance the effective training dataset collection. As a consequence, our audio translation and the virtual collaboration platform runs incredibly smoothly. No lag, no hiccups, just seamless real-time communication across languages. That's the power behind voice ping. So, what's the difference between voice ping and other similar tools? In the case of the Zoom or Teams, the translation is not as accurate as ours because they use a general model. When it comes to the user experience, when you use the Google Translate for real international business meetings, you will struggle with consecutive translation since you must repeatedly push the microphone button. Hardware translation devices are primarily for shorter conversations and are not optimized for business use cases. Voice ping, on the other hand, covers offline speech, translation, language identification, speaker diarization, and automatic AI summarization. Seeing the created meeting log, we can digest the discussion points and identify who spoke what points at that time. This enhances collaboration and strengthens the team. We covered all aspects of essential points for the meeting logs. As a result, there are over 40,000 registered accounts and 6,000 paid active users. The site is currently growing at 11.1% per month. Thanks to the product-led growth model, we have never spent a lot of money on advertisement or salesperson. Most of our members are web and AI developers. For the reputation, the other day, fortunately, Jack Dorsey, Twitter co-founder, used our product and he said it was terrific. I'm so glad to see him use our product. Famous Japanese companies like NEC, Denso, and NTT have already introduced our product and accelerated the global expansion of their business.
2002年からかな、やってましたけれども、まあ、とあるきっかけがあって、やって、10年になったということで、本日はアニメ産業の動向ということでですね、新たな時代の潮流をされるということで、私、増田とですね、ご紹介にあった須田と一緒に、アニメをお話をさせていただきたい。よろしくお願いいたします。よろしくお願いします。
When it comes to the scalable business possibility, the B2B interpretation market size is $10 billion USD and it's expected to reach $70.5 billion USD by 2030. 2030, when we plan to be listed on the Japanese stock market, hopefully. Our roadmap focuses on democratizing efficient language communication with AI. We plan to expand into B2C markets, create voice API platform and SDKs for developers, and eventually develop AI glasses. When AI companies, including us, try to train many models and provide lower inference costs, a GPU data center is essential. We plan to make the data center for end customers in the future. Our diverse team includes talented AI developers from SoftBank, Rakuten, and IBM. We've secured seed funding from Japan's leading machine translation company. We are an AI product startup company and are engaged in solving customer problems on a daily basis. In conclusion, we are both ping, we translate, and you innovate. This is a freemium product. You can try it out for free. Please go to the Apple App Store or Android Play Store. You can try our real-time translation. When you want to use the offline translation, you need to download it in advance. You need to download the model in advance. Also, as a sponsor for this great event, our product is open to you. You can use it to communicate with speakers or participants. If you would like to ask me specific technical questions, I can answer all. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.